Hi there, this is Alan from Hyperstream. Okay, so this video is all for you wannabe web designers out there. Now, you could learn how to code CSS by hand, and I recommend you do that if you want to really learn web design. However, one of the tricks of the trade is to use an editor like this one, which is called Stylizer. We use Stylizer 5 at Hyperstream, and we do a lot of WordPress websites, so it's a really useful tool to just tweak colors and fonts and all kinds of different things, because a lot of the time you're not just generally building a website from scratch, you'll be using an existing framework. So using something like Stylizer is just a really neat way of quickly editing a site. So I'm just going to show you how this works. I'll just load up my own site for argument's sake. So type in the URL. So you do pay for Stylizer. It's not free software, but they do have a free trial. But I think the time that it can save you greatly outweighs the cost. So I buy things when they can save me time and money. So it's definitely worth doing. Okay, so I'm just loaded up. Let's just have a look at this page here. So get a quote page. Needs a bit of work as well. So we're in Stylizer, and what I really love about this program is that you can just quickly see all of the style sheets on the site. Okay, so let's say I want to edit the label here, make this a different color. What I can do is press the space bar, and it will come up with this bullseye selector thing, so I can choose that. And the way this works is that you target various elements on the page to style. So it's a real quick way of just visually editing things. So what I want to do is I want to target this particular name label. So actually, this is not the name label. I want to target all of the labels. So I'm going to choose label, and I'm going to say it's going to be for this particular form, and then we create a new style. And then what I can do is, I've already got another one here actually, but didn't really need to do that, but I'm going to create a colour, and then we can see as I'm moving the colour wheel round, let's choose a nice blue colour. There we go. So that's the idea. You can quickly edit things on the fly. You can move stuff around. If you want to change the position of a label or something, you can do that. So really handy tool. If you're tweaking other people's websites especially, I find it quite difficult sometimes to work on somebody else's code website, and if it's a really complicated site, you just need to change like a color or something, rather than having to dive into the style sheet and find this particular line. It's a real handy tool to do that. But anyway, so that's Stylizer. I hope they found that helpful. Feel free to comment and whether you found this useful. And don't forget you can subscribe to the blog for more advice and tips about blogging and business and web design. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and take care. Bye bye.